Yeah, welcome back to ASN Connects. So today's agenda is to go for install the Maven environment. So for that case, what we will do here. So if we want to go for install the Maven environment, first we'll go for check the prerequisites. For each and every Maven environment, we are having the prerequisite as Java environment. Means we need to install the Java inside of our EC2 instance, and then we'll go for install the Maven top of the Java. So then only the Maven environment will run successfully. So that is the case. First, we'll launch one EC2 instance with Ubuntu OS. Then we'll go for install the Java. After that, we'll go for install the Maven. This is the general pattern we need to follow for installation of Maven. Now we are going with that. I'm launching one EC2 instance. Go to the EC2 service, then click on that instances. Click on that launch instances. Here we are having the server name as Maven because we want to install the Maven here. Then select the OS. I'm taking the OS as Ubuntu. After that, we'll go for take the instance type, that is T2 micro. And we are going with the key pair. So for security reason, I'm taking the key pair as HDFC. That is my server key pair. And default network settings, I'm not changing anything. And for run the server, SSH protocol we need. So that's why I enable the SSH protocol. Then the storage to run the Maven environment, at least 8 GB is required. That's why I'm taking 8 GB with GP2. Means general purpose version 2. It will reduce the client billing. Then we'll go for select number of instances. I'm taking number of instances as one. Click on that launch instance. One EC2 instance will launch successfully in the cloud environment. Now we'll go for select the server and then click on that connect. So at the bottom, we are having the connect option. Right now we are connecting the server from dashboard. Now the server getting the connection. After getting the connection, what we will do here? First, we need to update the server. So we are taking a command as sudo apt update. Sudo is super user activity. We are providing the normal user privilegizations. For that, we are using this one. apt is the package for Ubuntu OS, and then update is our action. Whatever the server we are taking, in that server, we are going to update all the packages. Press enter. All these packages are getting into update for our Ubuntu server. After completion of the update, then we'll go for install the Java. So we are having a different Java versions. Java 8, Java 11, 17, 21. Likewise, so many versions of Java we are having. So for compatibility reason, I'm going with the default Java version with this Ubuntu OS. So for taking the default Java, we are having a command called sudo apt install default-jdk. This is the general command we are using for installation of the Maven in Ubuntu server. And then press enter. It is getting into the installation. After completion of the installation process, as a DevOps engineer, we will go for install the Maven on the top of the Java. So Maven environment will take all the Java related dependencies and it will go for run successful manner. So that is the case. We need to install the Maven on the top of the Java. Wait for 1 minute. After completion of this Java installation, we'll go with Maven. Now here, successfully we install the Java. As a DevOps engineer, we need to check which version we are having. So this is the general command to check the Java version. This is a general version. This is a general command we are having to check the Java version, Java hyphen hyphen version. Press enter. This is the latest Java version we are having. So now we'll go for install the Maven here. Sudo apt install Maven hyphen file. This is the general command to install the Maven in Ubuntu server. So now press enter. Maven installation will go on. After completion of the Maven installation, we'll go for check the version mvn hyphen hyphen version. So this is general command to check the Maven version. So we are using a Maven version as Apache Maven 3.8.7, and then this is the general home directory. For example, if you are doing any work inside of the Maven environment, so the content, the output will be saved in this local area. So in the interview, they will ask this one /users/share/Maven. So this is the default home directory for the Maven environment. And then to run the Maven environment, we must have the Java version. This is the Java version we are having inside of this server. This is the way we'll go for install the Maven in the Ubuntu server.